Please watch your step as you exit the train. Please exit to your right. Please walk, do not run. And have a great day here at Lagoon-A-Beach. Welcome to BomBora. Please walk, do not run. Please watch your step as you board the train. Please sit in the upright position and pull your restraint down or adjust security pressure. If you need assistance, please notify the station when being called. While riding BomBora, please keep your arms and legs inside. Please do not extend your arms out to the side or above your head and don't see forward. Thank you and enjoy your ride.
Have fun.
Welcome back. Please watch your step as you exit the train. Please exit to your right. Please walk, do not run. And have a great day here at Lagoon-A-Beach.